Okay, good morning to all.
Good morning,
Sir. Today we will be conducting a preview conference for two projects, 25 FF052, Congreso Pangirig and HC Kamuning Road, MR, Mangirig Kalabang Mogastor, and 25 FF053, Congreso San Francisco, Tubarangay King, and meeting conference for PR number 22505-0023 at procurement of IT equipment for use of finance section and administration respectively. Last one is PR number 2025-06-0027 at procurement of supplies, preventive maintenance materials and tires of service vehicle for use in commercial activity. Before we start, we will be conducting a mobile prayer from the Secretary, please.
Gracious God, as we come before you today to discuss important matters, we ask for your guidance and wisdom. You are the source of all knowledge and understanding. Therefore, we seek your direction in our decision-making process. Help us to listen attentively to one another with open hearts and minds. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Secretary, please do the roll call of the oldest person here.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. The attendees for this conference are as follows: Engineer Jose Diligan Committee, Back Chairman; Engineer Ryan S. Dipana, Provisional Member; Engineer Ronelo Di Dolor, Member; Engineer Cesar A.M. Morales Jr., Back Member; Engineer Roland Herrig Ayala, PWH Head; Engineer Ferdinand O. Sibor, Present; Engineer Ronald Back Secretary; myself, Back Secretary.
Okay, so us that we have a quorum, we have 5 of us. Okay, we'll give the floor to the Secretary to read and discuss the agenda for this briefing.
Morning, sir. The agenda for today's pre-bid conference. Number 1 is the contact information, 2 discussion of plans and specifications, 3 requirements of bidding documents, 4 documents to be submitted by the bidders, 5 criteria and procedure of the procurement process, 6 other matters. The documents to be submitted by the bidders for the technical proposal, special JV license if applicable, security, authority of signing official, certificate of field jobs registration, organizational chart of the contract, contractor certification and key personnel, list of completed projects, SLCC and ongoing projects, list of major equipment, omnibus SORN statement required in RA 9184, and the financial proposal, audited financial statement, and net financial contracting capacity. For the procedure and criteria, opening of preliminary examination of technical components of bids, eligibility check, preliminary examination of financial components of bids, and evaluation of bids, post-qualification and notice of award. Ruling discrepancies, bid prices in figure versus words, words prevails. Total price per item versus unit price prevails. Total price versus actual sum of component items, actual sum prevails. Unit cost in detailed estimate versus unit cost in BOQ, BOQ prevails. That's also.
Okay, we may call on the representative from the planning dissertation to discuss about this project.
Good morning, sir. For 25 FF0052, concreting of Barangay Mangiring NHA to Kamuning Road, FMR, Barangay Mangiring, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. The project has an ABC of 14,924,956 pesos and 82 centavos. This is the source of fund is under FY 2025, the AFMR, with a project duration of 87 calendar days. And the scope of work for this project is construction of concrete road with a typical protection of 5 meters of PCCP and 1.5 meters of gravel shoulder on both sides. 0.23 meter thick of PCCP. For the scope of works under general requirements, we have project billboard, signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management program, mobilization, demobilization, recognition plate, project marker. Under earthworks, clearing, grabbing, unsuitable excavation, embankment from barrow, and subgrade preparation. For sub-base course, polymer stabilized sub-base course. For surface course, PCCP unreinforced 0.23 meter thick at 14 days. And under miscellaneous, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white and reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings yellow. The net length for this project is 1.43 lane kilometers. That's all for 25FF0052. And for 25FF0053, concreting of Barangay San Francisco to Barangay Ikin FMR, Barangay San Francisco, Canacman, Camarines Sur. The ABC for this project is 14,924,874 pesos and 70 centavos. The project duration is 121 calendar days. Source of fund is FY 2025 DAFMR, and the scope of work for this project is construction of concrete road with slope protection. The net length for this project is 0.75 lane kilometers. Typical protection. The PCCP for this project is 6.1 meter width, 0.28 meter thick PCCP at 14 days, with 1 meter of shoulder on both sides. For the scope of works, under general requirements, project billboard, signboard, occupation of safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization, and recognition plate, project marker. Under earthworks, clearing and grabbing, removal of actual structures and obstruction, unsuitable excavation, embankment from barrow, and subgrade preparation. For sub-base course, polymer stabilized sub-base course, and for surface course, PCCP 0.28 meter thick at 14 days. And for slope protection, stone masonry, and under miscellaneous, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white and yellow. That's all, sir.
Thank you. Are there any concerns? This discussion. Okay. We'll move to the for now, it's not yet 10 o'clock. We might as well, anybody would talk any motion for adjournment?
I move for the adjournment to this second.
We move second that is leaving the conference be closed.